Ayan. Hi everyone. So this is a briefing about dropshipping program and how you will start doing this. So this is what we call the business of the 21st century. Currently, most of us nasa rat race. If you're not familiar sa rat race, ito yung you're working hard, you're earning naman. But napupunta lang yung earning mo sa bills, grocery, whether weekly or monthly. Then still, even if you work hard, you lack savings and may utang pa din, 'di ba? Hanggang time is running out, 30 ka na, 40 ka na, 50 ka na, 60 ka na, retire ka na, yan pa rin yung problema. Kaya siya rat race. Hindi kasi tayo or hindi sila umaalis sa cycle na yan. That's why ang kagandahan with doing the dropshipping business is ang goal mo maalis ka sa rat race. Now, anong difference natin sa traditional marketing and privatized dropshipping? The traditional marketing or the traditional business, laging may middleman. With the privatized dropshipping, number one, direct ka nang kumukuha ng supplies mo sa manufacturer. Ang maganda diyan, hindi mo rin competition yung manufacturer, meaning hindi sila nagbebenta as a retailer sa market. Kaya ang advantage nun, mura mong nakukuha yung mga products. Now, the focus of our dropshipping business is health management and income generation. And the advantage of doing this is mababa ang kapital niya. Bakit may kapital? Of course, this is a business. This is not a work or a part-time na trabaho. But this is a business with a low capital. The advantage of a low capital is kahit newly grad ka or undergrad ka or limited yung funds, pwede mo to simulan. Ang maganda pa, mabilis yung return of investment. And since online tayo, we are open in 26 countries worldwide. Local, international delivery, may libreng travel kasama family mo. Ang maganda dito, you have a team support with Trailblazer Global and walang inventory, wala kang office, wala kang quota, wala kang empleyadong babayaran, and you're building passive income. Now, ang process ng dropshipping business natin, tatlo lang. Number one, you start posting sa social media. May mga naka-ready na yan na marketing and materials. Ibibigay namin once you become part of the team. Then, magpo-post ka na lang. So, everyday magpo-post ka. Once nag-post ka, may nag-inquire. You just set appointment to your client, to your market, and kami na yung makikipag-usap sa kanila. Okay, clear po ba yon? Now, once kinausap namin, doon pumapasok yung dropshipping. Kasi once nagustuhan nila yung ino-offer namin, ibibigay ko yung website mo from the company, pero personalized yun, nakapangalan na sa'yo. Doon sila o-order and yung brand partner natin, yun yung magdi-deliver sa kanya. Whether dito yan sa Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, or sa labas ng Pilipinas. Since we are open in 26 countries. Now, paano naman tayo kumikita sa dropshipping? We have many ways to earn, pero ang pinaka-importante, number one, pwede kang mag-retail markup. That's like 500 to 1,500 per item. May mga weekly income din tayo, that's 20%. Depende yan sa effort mo. That's like 5 to 50,000 pesos per week. May royalty program, luxury travel, profit sharing. Yun yung maganda dyan, lalo na long term. Kasi weekly and quarterly yan, and transferable to your loved ones. Now, requirement to start. Whether nag-aaral ka, or you're working, or full-time mom, pwede mo to gawin part-time. Extra 30 minutes to 1 hour, malaking bagay na yon kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang naman. Stable internet, bank account, yung phone mo o yung tablet mo, may Zoom device, PIN number, and provided na yung website and app store. So, this is a growing industry. Kasi pasok tayo sa health and wellness. Meaning, ang market mo talaga, tao, human. Whether bata, matanda, may sakit, walang sakit. 'Di ba? Since this is a growing industry, yun yung may pinakamalaking niche worldwide. So, our products are pasok tayo sa cellular nutrition support. So, malaking difference yan sa food supplement. Since ang cater natin is directly tayo sa cell, tinutulungan yung cell natin makuha yung tamang nutrient para magawa ng body natin yung part natin, which is cellular healing. And from bata hanggang anti-aging, kompleto tayo. Even weight management meron. So before we proceed to part 2, let me know if meron kang question. And if interested ka in watching this video, you just fill out the form sa schedule form para we can schedule you for the part 2.